Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but I'm back and today's video is going to be a little different. You know, if you own a studio, project studio, whatever you want to call it, I always tell people it's a great idea to learn how to maintenance your own equipment. So over here I have a Technics 1210. It's the same as a 1200, it's just the color. This is just the black version of the turntable, but it's the same thing. I like to transfer vinyl to digital, and I have some vinyl that never made it to digital, so I want to transfer those. So the turntable actually started doing something weird with its pitch. So if you're not familiar with a turntable, over here you have your pitch control, and that's the center. It's locked, right? So it started doing something really weird. So I got my tools over here. So this is actually that right here. This is the pitch. So I was able to take my multimeter and put it in the ohm setting, and according to the schematics, I should be seeing about 2.7 ohms, right? It's 2.6, that's perfect. I don't need to go crazy over that. But over here, we could do a little bit more adjustment. So if we look at TP27, which is this one, and then over here you have ground. Now, I have my DSO, which is my digital oscilloscope, and what we're looking for is frequency. So we got 261, should be 262. I mean, that's perfect. That's extremely close. I can bring it up to 262 if I wanted to, but that's fine. It was way off for whatever reason before, so I got that all fixed. Now, if you don't have a DSO, we can use a multimeter, and I'm going to show you that right now. So over here, I am using my Fluke 87, as you can see, 1.865 volts. That is the same spot, which is TP27. That's where I had my DSO probe connected to. So we got the positive, we have the ground, and as you can see, 1.865. That's the voltage. You may not know that your multimeter might also do frequency. So I'm going to select hertz and check that out. 2617. Now this does not have the resolution like the DSO, but that's in the ballpark. 261. That's what I had on the DSO. Yeah, this is spot on. So now I'm able to put the turntable back together and transfer some of the vinyl to digital. So before I wrap up this video, I wanted to tell you guys another thing that I decided to do, because I never opened these turntables. Now, a good friend of mine bought these turntables back in the 90s. I bought them from him a couple of years ago. They've really never been serviced. So I decided to crack open the turntable and check some of the capacitors. No, I didn't unsolder them to check its capacitance. So over here we have this 50 volt, 470 microfarad capacitor. So what I did, I used this ESR meter. Now this is the blue tool. A lot of you guys are probably familiar with the original blue. I'll have a picture here. A good friend of mine designed this, Bob Parker. He's an Australian dude. He actually sent me this a while ago, and yeah, it's a wonderful tool to have. So I ESR the capacitors, so everything checked out. So now I'm gonna put everything together and I'm good to go.